We know you are likely familiar with CGC Jhanjeri's NAD grade A+ accreditation, along with our impressive record of over 8,500 plus placement offers, featuring a top package of 45.5 LPA from 800 plus recruiters. Most importantly, our George Scholarship, valued at Rs 12 crores, provides significant financial assistance. But what you don't know about CGC Jhanjeri is that in our B.Sc Radiology and Imaging Technology program, we probe the depths of radiographic techniques, diagnostic imaging procedures, radiation physics, and radiology management. We empower our students with cutting-edge labs, hands-on case studies, and top-notch research facilities, paving the way to careers as radiologic technologist, diagnostic medical sonographer, nuclear medicine technologist, medical imaging specialist, and so much more. In summary, we are leading a transformative era in radiology education. सफलता के रंग CGC झंझेरी के संग।